It is the 9th of November 2023, so WIKISPEED stand-up. Just me today, so it's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, for the week. The knitting machine, I created a Wiki Factory project for it, and I posted version 0.63 of the ESP32 or Arduino code. The Polaris dashboard, I created a Wiki Factory project for it. I did not post any code as yet. And like I need another project, I created a new project for a pump runtime monitor, which had to do with my septic system giving me trouble yesterday. So I developed the requirements, searched for ESP32 examples, located 3 of them, one of them specific for an ESP32 and 2 Arduino projects. I tried the ESP32 example. It worked like a hot damn. Set up Telegram set up a bot in Telegram to work with the ESP32, and the ESP32 is successfully sending messages when a pump starts and stops. At least it does when I simulate it on my desk. I haven't got the hardware outside as yet. Anyway, and I created the Wiki Factory project for that. Trello, I was not successful in getting tasks added to the backlog before I pulled them off to work on them. Still working on that it's a long-term thing for me. Next week, I am hoping to write up the README and post it for the knitting machine Wiki Factory project, and get the latest video posted to YouTube under, I think that's under my YouTube, not under WIKISPEED. Polaris dashboard project. I hope to post version 0.2 to Wiki Factory, write up the README and post it, and then basically work on my garage, getting it cleaned out enough so that I can pull the Ranger into the garage and work on it. The dashboard project lets me monitor the signals coming from the dash going to the motor controller and override them if required, so that I can actually test things out. And then the pump runtime monitor, I'm hoping to get version 0.5 posted to my newly created Wiki Factory project. Wiki Factory project, and write up the README and post it, and then hopefully get a couple of power supplies out of my junk drawer and wire them temporarily into the pump system to prove that everything works and that I have Wi-Fi coverage outside, and that will enable me to go and actually procure some reasonable parts the following week to make it a more permanent and electrically safe installation. And of course, adding tasks into my backlog before I'm working on them and before I'm completed them. Blocks. My septic system from last week triggered a new project, and an enabler is that my part-time job is not very busy, so I have more time available. And that is it. Now we go to retro. I got 6 out of 6 points done for my weekly plan last week. Not exactly the ones that I was planning on, but I did get 6 points used. I give myself an extra 1 for stand-up, getting to stand-up, and it gives me 10 out of 10 for the week. And Lauren is still not able to join. He is out of town and not feeling very well. Hopefully he's going to get himself better. So I'm going to give team 6, and the process improvement is still reconnecting with WIKISPEED mailing list, but we need to get the website up and running again. I have a block on that one, or I should have a block on that one. And that is it for stand-up. And I'll hit the button.